So imagine you and your lady friend have stepped out to take a little camping trip. You enjoy the fall leaves and the sounds of nature all around you. You look into her eyes in such a romantic stare. You just know this is the romantic getaway she's been waiting for. She's always wanted this quality time away from the kids and family. Just you two alone. The look in her eye is priceless. When all of a sudden, what do you think happens? That's right, a monsoon pops up. You're like, oh Lord, maybe I won't say anything. Maybe she won't notice. Yeah, right. Let me just tell you, that's not going to work so well. You just might better well sleep with your boxing gloves on, because you're going to get a right hook right to the dome. Hey there hikers and wannabe hikers, this is Jonathan from Hiking in SC. Today we're going to be covering how to waterproof your tent so you don't end up with water on your face when you're hiking or backpacking or tent camping. It's extremely annoying, trust me. So what I've learned is you should have your tent upside down so that you can see the bottom. Then we're going to start laying down the silicone spray, and we're going to put it on the seam first. Once you do that, then you're just going to lightly coat everything else all over. Once you have an even coat, we'll go and let this thing dry. And at that point, we'll be ready to do the top side. So one tip is going to be to use this product in a well ventilated area. First, it's probably going to hurt you as far as the mystical ingredients that are inside it, but to tell you the truth, it smells exactly like Raid cockroach spray. So make sure you're in a ventilated area. So I'm sorry about the audio, guys. As luck would have it, there'd be an air show happening above me and somebody over here deciding to rototill his whole yard or something. So bear with me. So now it's just a matter of letting this thing dry, and then we might give it a little test to make sure that the waterproofing is going to work. So that might be in a later video. So right now it's October 2019, and if you're familiar with South Carolina, in 2019 we've been a little light on rain, but here's what's going to happen. As soon as you think, oh, it's not going to rain out on the trail, you're going to end up at Bly Gap on the AT, and all of a sudden you're in your tent and a monsoon pops up. Guess what you're going to want to do? Waterproof your tent. So you might as well go ahead and do it now. So if you're addicted to anything hiking like I am, take a minute to look at these two videos I'm going to put over here on your right hand side. They'll give you more information, tips, and tricks about hiking in this great state of ours, South Carolina. Now, get out there and hike.